Hi guys, welcome back to the Complete Justice podcast. Today we're in conversation with Manmayi and talking about the second episode regarding the National Anthem Order. Hi Manmayi.
Hi.
So what was your motivation to choose the National Anthem Order as the topic for this episode?
So my motivation to start with the podcast entirely was about how so many cases that is before the Supreme Court govern our everyday lives and how they are reported is quite different from what the law actually says. So specific to my episode, I wanted to point out about the law governing your respect to the national anthem, patriotism generally.
In this episode, you mentioned at some point about a case where the petitioner sought that the national anthem be sung in court.
Right.
What does this mean and what does this mean with respect to the entire controversy?
So soon after the orders by the Supreme Court to stand for the national anthem, there was another writ petition filed saying that the national anthem should be sung in court halls, before offices and before parliamentary sessions. Now, what happened here is that the court did keep the prayer for standing up for the national anthem in schools alive, but they brushed aside the order concerning standing up in court halls, which shows this element of hypocrisy.
Right. What has the role of the media been with regards to this entire controversy?
I think enormous. The media is very influential when it comes to telling people about how they should feel about such orders passed by the Supreme Court, especially for your own individual feelings and expression of patriotism. I think these reports, they didn't say as much about the law as much as they spoke about how you should express your patriotism and whether it's okay to stand up for 52 seconds or not.
I'd like to end this episode by talking about what the audience's takeaway should be from this episode.
On a serious note, the audience should take away that no law tells you how and when you should stand up for the national anthem, how you should express your patriotism. So I think that this episode will help acquaint them with the legal provisions in that regard. And on a lighter note, I think they will figure that Karan Johar movies can be a lot more educational.
That was Manmayi. Thank you so much for watching.